Today we're going to learn how to make a Dutch gable roof in archicad. So let's open our archicad. Here I'm using archicad 24, but I'm sure it can work with any archicad out there. So feel confident to try it on your archicad. So we open our project here. Then we'll start by drawing the normal roof, which is the hipped roof. Select our roof tool, then draw our roof. So after drawing our roofs, as you can see, we have a very good hipped roof over there. So we want to turn this into a Dutch gable roof. As you can see over here, my 3D, it's a very good gable roof. So what you're gonna do here is find a spot that you want to split the roof. You go in the document palette, select a line, then you can just mark where you want to split the roof. You can do this to all the sides that you want to make the Dutch gable roof. Over here, let's say over here. So what I'm going to do is select arrow tool, select my roof, then we're going to right click, select split into single plane roofs. We'll split our roof to say split anyway. We select our roof again, go here at the top here, edit, go on grouping, then ungroup, or you press Ctrl Shift G. So the next step is you come here where you want to split the roof, double click, and you've got a node, then go to the next part, double click, and you've got a node, and you come here, just click this once, drag it, and click here. So as you can see, the form of the roof is now changed. Let's go to our 3D and look at it. As you can see, we have successfully made our Dutch gable roof. Finish making our Dutch gable roof. For this to work, your roof must be selected. So come over here again, double click, you get a node, double click, you get a node, drag this, come over here again, double click, get a node, double click, you get a node, then drag. So these are all the places that I want my Dutch gable. So basically I'm done. I deselect my roof, come remove these lines which I put as my guidelines. They are not of much importance anymore. I remove them. Delete them all. So as you can see over here, this is my roof, my Dutch gable roof. Let me just send this display order center back. So you can see my roof lines over here. It's now a Dutch gable roof. Go to my 3D. You can see all these sides. These are all Dutch gable. The next step we're going to do is I think we need to add a louver to these windows so that the gaps you see over here, so that they can be covered. So what you're gonna do is go to the design. Here we select object, say Control T, or we can just double click it. Go here and search for louvers. Let me select this vertical gable louver. I press OK. I come place my louver here. Just click. I take my louver, Control E to rotate. So it is rotated successfully. So I take my louver, place it here, drag it so that it could fit the open space. So I copy the louver, Control Shift D, drag a copy. I come here, place it over here too. Control Shift D, come place it over here too. Here I need to rotate it. Okay. Press escape. I drag it again to fit. Drag it to fit again. Here my roof is not coming out, so I need to hide these furnitures so that I can see my roof lines. Go on layers, display order, set to back. So now I can see my roof lines. I drag this, okay, it's ending here, it's also ending here. So as I go to my 3D, you can see that my louvers are down there instead of up there. So what I need is to give them a little height. So I select my louvers again, press Shift to select multiple things at once. I select my 3 louvers, then I come over here, change the height, let's say to 3000. Enter. I'll go back to my 3D. As we can see, my louvers are slightly there. Let me just add a little bit of height again. Let's say 3500. Okay. As you can see, they are overlapping a little. So the next process is pretty simple. What you need to do is let me bring them down a little bit. Yeah, exactly like this. It's perfect. So the next step what you need to do is just first of all, we need to group the roof again. We go on select the roof, go on roof 2, say Control A, no, go on roof 2 here, Control A, go on edit, grouping, group, or you can just say Control G. So we go back to our 3D window. We select our roof, then select the louver. Let's just select all our louvers here. So what you need to do next is use right click, go on connect, and say trim elements to roof shell. You just say trim. As we can see, our elements are trimmed successfully. Now we have a perfect Dutch gable roof.